the ship. Well, we went on a nice short hike to me. He thought it was hard. I thought it was easy. When we got to the end, there's a nice waterfall and like swimming hole.
Oh, cool swimming hole. And who went with us on our hard hiking trip to the waterfall? And also in our relatives group?
Oh, in our relatives group, it was Nick and Robbie.
That's right, and Uncle B, and my number one niece Mary here.
It's called swimming hole. There's a nice swimming hole, so you can go swimming there, but we kept on hiking up to a nice, huge waterfall. It was beautiful.
Keep telling the story, it's good.
And the rainforest was beautiful. We saw some lizards. Well, my little friend Hannah, who's 7, went with us.
Okay, Hannah.
Beautiful birds. The scene is always beautiful. Yeah, I wish everyone could have been here. But we went swimming in the swimming pool, and then we came back.
Great one. Awesome underwater swim.
Well, little one morning in the mountain pines, I was walking down a road feeling high and fine. Ran into that smiling man, he was drinking his whiskey from a coffee can, singing "Lord preserve us and protect us." We were drinking whiskey for breakfast. What yeah, mama? Singing "Lord preserve us and protect us." We were drinking whiskey for breakfast.